Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can fix the Tinder can't delete account problem. Now if you're watching this video, of course you've tried to delete your Tinder account, you know how to delete your Tinder account, but the problem you're facing is that it's showing you an error, or due to some reason the Tinder deleting account problem isn't going through and your Tinder account isn't being able to be deleted. Now, there are a few fixes to this, and if none of these work, your end solution would be contacting the Tinder helpline, who will fix this issue and will technically help you in deleting your Tinder account. Now, the first preliminary fixes are checking your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is weak, of course there can be an error, so just make sure you've got strong Wi-Fi and you're near to your router where your signals are the strongest, and then you try the same method. If that doesn't work, then you can log out and then you can log in again. That's your second fix. Now if that doesn't work, what you can do is you will go on Play Store. On your Play Store or App Store, after searching up Tinder, if instead of open it says update, that means that your application needs to be updated. What you can do is you'll update Tinder, and after that you'll try to delete your account again, and then it should work. If it somehow still doesn't work, then you can see on the right it says uninstall. You can simply just uninstall it and reinstall it, and it at that point should work. These are all the solutions that you can use, since the not deleting account problem could be something technical, since that usually doesn't happen. So these are the only solutions that you can do to fix this error. Now, if it still doesn't work, then your last option will be contacting Tinder support, and you can mention to them that you have trouble deleting your account, since it can usually result in a temporary glitch. You can also try the next day or after a few hours, and it could still work. If not, then you'd have to contact Tinder help support.